Need more spending power on your Amex card? If you're unsure how to ask for a credit limit increase without hurting your credit, you're not alone. Today, we're requesting a credit limit increase from Amex the right way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex may sometimes offer you an increase automatically, but you can also request one yourself through your online account. The method: the online request form. Log into your Amex account and navigate to Account Services or Card Management. Look for Request a Credit Line Increase. You'll be guided through a simple form where you'll enter your desired new limit and annual income. The key factor: your income and history with Amex. Amex will make a decision based on your payment history with them, your reported income, and your creditworthiness. They will perform a soft pull on your credit report in most cases, which won't affect your credit score. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: wait at least 6 months between requests. Don't request an increase too frequently. A good rule of thumb is to wait at least 6 months, especially if you were recently approved for the card or had a previous increase denied. This shows you're a stable, long-term customer. So, just like that, you can potentially increase your financial flexibility. A higher credit limit, used responsibly, goes a long way in improving your credit utilization ratio, which can boost your credit score. Now I'm curious, has Amex ever given you an automatic credit limit increase? How much was it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.